Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP DeskJet 4120, and now I'm going to show you how to insert paper on this device. Paper, firstly you should open the paper tray, then open this plastic object. Afterwards, just install paper cards and cool, that's it. Of course, you can change the size of installed paper cards. For example, if you want to install A4 paper, you should move this blue element to the right part of the printer. If you want to install smaller paper cards, for example A5, so move it to the left side of your printer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.